Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Dream Germany. In the previous lesson you have learnt indefinite article in nominative case. And in this lesson you will learn sentence structure in German with examples, and at the end of this video we will tell you some key points. So let's begin. Lektion 15. Noch einmal. Lektion 15. Satzstruktur. Noch einmal. Satzstruktur. German sentence structure generally follows the pattern of subject-verb-object in basic, independent clauses. But it also uses the verb-second rule where the conjugated verb appears in the second position. Subordinate clauses, however, often use subject-object-verb order. Basic sentence structure. In simple, declarative sentences, the subject comes first, followed by the verb, then the object. Beispiel. Ich lese ein Buch. Noch einmal. Ich lese ein Buch. You can see the sentence structure subject plus verb plus object. Verb at second position. The conjugated verb always occupies the second position in main clauses, regardless of where the subject is placed. Beispiel. Heute lese ich ein Buch. Noch einmal. Heute lese ich ein Buch. Ein Buch lese ich heute. Noch einmal. Ein Buch lese ich heute. Here the verb is at second position. Sentence structure in subordinate clauses. In subordinate clauses, the verb typically comes at the end of the clause. Beispiel. Ich gehe, weil ich müde bin. Noch einmal. Ich gehe, weil ich müde bin. Sentence structure when you are asking questions. In yes-no questions, the verb comes first, before the subject. Beispiel. Lernst du Deutsch? Noch einmal. Lernst du Deutsch? Here the verb is at first position or before the subject. Here are some important points. While the SVO-V2 structure is common, German allows for flexibility in word order, particularly when emphasizing certain elements like time, place, or object. Adverbs of time, manner, and place can be used, with time often preceding manner, and manner preceding place. German often uses compound verbs, where the conjugated part of the verb is in the second position and the non-conjugated part goes to the end of the clause.
Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still have not. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below.